Hello everyone! We are going to the Poo Poo Point in Issaquah. This hill is very famous for the paragliding.
We're gonna go paragliding, everyone. Heejin's gonna go first.
No, we're gonna just visit the area that people go.
Don't worry guys, we took out an
into
insurance
for the
policy for her. So
paraglide.
I'll be alright guys, I'll be okay.
I don't wanna do it. You do it then. I'll wait on the net. We are very excited about going up there. See you at the Poo Poo Point. Bye! We just arrived. There's not many parking spots, but we found one that you can pay $5. Luckily.
Excuse me, man. You're blocking the trail. Please move.
Everyone knows that it's your voice. That's cute. Is it bear?
Partial. Oh, bear with me.
Bear with wings. I feel like this kind of plant is from Avatar or some movie. We're almost at the peak.
Heejin's not tired. That's not her breathing. That's my breathing, actually.
This view is amazing. Oh. And then isn't that the Mount Rainier? Yeah. So pretty. .66 mile. No.
No.
Okay, what's the mile?
1.8.
So 1.8
8 miles.
1.8 mile.
Around 1700 elevation. Almost there.
Yeah. So we started from here, then we went up until this much. You want some?
Translating Korean.
Doesn't look good there, but so now we're at the peak. We walked 2 hours. My watch says it's 3 miles, but 2.25 miles for trail. Oh. 진짜 예쁘다. 어떤 피스? 동그리? There's someone playing paragliding.
It's Batman. Everyone, we're watching Batman. Going down, fight crime.
So that's the area for paragliding. I think so.
No, it's Gotham City.
그게 뭐야? What is that?
Well, that's where Batman lives.
So now we're almost arrived. Here's a we are in the car and we just arrived. How do you feel?
Keep all that going.
The trail? Why Why do you stop talking after I turn on the camera?
Saying that trail is a little small for the number of people that try to go on there.
맞아, that's true.
But it was a nice trail.
Yeah. Oh, there is another.
Head north on Issaquah
Person.
Hobart Road.
Oh, it was so long. When you go up, it's really hard.
It's pretty easy. Yeah, it was all easy.
For you?
There were little
Boasting
children
yourself.
walking it.
Yeah, there were some children, and there are a lot of doggos. I feel I achieved something. I feel good. Healthy. Yeah, what about you? Hobby said he feels good
No.
before, so I just shared what he felt.
I felt like that was a
Take the next
very
right
light
onto
stroll.
2nd Avenue Southeast.
No.
It's like when we walk around our house.
No, it's totally
Continue on 2nd
different.
Avenue.
이렇게 안 길었어. It's not that long like this.
It was the same distance.
아니야.
And then it was like all downhill.
There is the high school, the Issaquah High School. It's huge. It's like a college campus. So we are gonna eat something. What are we gonna eat?
We're gonna have Chinese food.
Oh, do we? We're gonna eat the American barbecue. America barbecue?
America's barbecue.
America's
No,
barbecue.
no.
No?
It's American.
American barbecue.
Turn right
It's
onto East
different than
Sunset Way.
Korean barbecue, of course.
Because it's covered in sauce.
Yeah, it is. And it's very soft.
It's smoked.
We searched through the Yelp again, and it's one of the 맛집 in this area. See you at the restaurant.
Hold this.
What? Is it heavy? 어머나. Yay!
What was that?
We are back.
Okay, everyone. We're hungry, so we're just gonna eat. Bye.
We
Good.
are starving because we just came back from the mountain.
Heejin keeps on talking, but I think we need to keep on eating.